morning. It's like 5 in the morning. What time is it? Wait, hold on. I'm talking. It's 6:20 in the morning and I'm already at school. That's called not having my own car. Lights are f***ed. I'll just keep that so you can see me, sort of. Going up the stairs, this is dangerous. I should just stay down there or something, because this place is creepy. Night, in the morning, really. It's like really early in the morning. This is really dark. I feel like I should vlog this just because I've done this before, but you know, not while I was vlogging. So yeah. Hi. The sun's finally coming up. I really have nothing to say today. I really don't feel like vlogging right now. So if this is it, then bye. Enjoy these 3 pictures of my cell phone.
Que no se quiere. Mira, ni un video de él bailando, bajándolo para YouTube. Bien estúpido ahí, que me hace la guerra cada rato.
Mira, lleva desde las...
Mira, y si empieza a bajar el video, me bota el bordado.
Ponte a comer que nos vamos para Palo.